Cause I was on YouTube. Watching TY 38. Detail world, what it do, man. Look, y'all don't know I don't complain a lot, but this dude right here been a customer over me for 7 years. His wife had this car for a while. Never let me do this car. He only get his car done. Now they want me to come do this car because they about to sell it. This car is beyond trash. They just want me to do the interior. I don't know if I'm be able to get that up. You know what I mean? You know, stuff like that. Look how dirty these seats is. Just look how dirty the car is. Like, look at this. And they want me to detail it and put all this in. And then when I tell them how much the price is, you're going to be highly upset. Is because you want to wait till your car get this bad because you know I clean cars, but this is redundant. It's like, come on, dude. I clean your car all the time. Why you don't want your wife's car clean? Like, look how dirty this is. Like, this is beyond disgusting. But regardless to that, man, I'm gonna go ahead and do what I do because I take so much pride in what I do. But in the pride of me doing what I'm doing, I'm about to put that tax on just because of the fact that you wanna wait till the last minute to get your car done. And then wait till they want to be sold and know it's this trash and want to get me to do it. And yeah, I don't have a problem doing it because this is my job. But yeah, I'm just a little upset because you use my service. Ain't like you a new customer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. Hit this up, do what I do best, man. I hope you having a great day, man. So take pride in whatever you doing, man. And on that note, man, keep it going, keep it pushing, man. You know, it's summertime, stay hydrated, man. I'm trying to get myself really motivated to start working. I'm ready to put my body in a different position. You know, my mind is going where it needs to be. So I need to get my mind, body, and soul all intact and all on one accord. But on that note, man, be courageous, man. Stay dangerous because it's definitely dangerous out here. And I'm going to catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, man. I swear. Took me a little 3 hours to get the car and it still ain't where it need to be because, like I said, I had this car for 7 years. So this 7 years of straight dirt, all that. But we about to get ready to head to the next appointment, man. Like I said, we did the best we can. He's going to have to be happy with the work. Because like I said, when you let your dirt build up for 7 years, man, and don't take care of it, man, you see how it is. You see those little brown spots and stuff like that, but it is what it is. We've been here for 3 hours trying to extract this carpet and do it, but it didn't come all the way clean. So we about to get ready and head to the next stop, man. Hopefully he's impressed with it, but hey, I don't know what much more to say. But we're going to catch y'all in a minute, man. Hey. Detail world, what it do, man. We finally got this second car done for the day, man. You already know what car I'm doing. Y'all seen this car over 300 times already, but you already know, man. We take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. We already got the car completely done, exterior and interior. I'm over here trying to get a little bit of this shade. You know, it's a little warm out here, but interior, the car came out well, like always, man, because we take so much pride in what we do. So we also try to make sure that we keep the customers super satisfied with us too, because like again, you can't keep a business running if you don't do good work. But y'all know I'm about to head to the next stop. Let them know I'm running a little bit behind because the first car took me literally 3 hours to do, and that was just the interior. But I'm done right here. And like always, man, we take so much pride over here, Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I hope you take pride in whatever you're doing, man. And on that note, stick to the script, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, man. We didn't finish this last car today. So sorry that I didn't give y'all any shots of what the car looked like prior to me doing it, because it had all this tar on the left side of the car. I'm not sure what type of tar. It wasn't road tar. It was like something from a tree. But we got the whole car done in and out. Now I'm finna get ready and let him know we done so he can come on pay me. Like I said, it took us a little while to do it. Probably took us about 2.5 hours to get it done because it had so much of that stuff on it. But we got the car completely done. It's a beautiful day today. We actually done for the day. We actually did 4 or 5 vehicles. We just did 3 vehicles for the day, I believe. But on that note, like always, man, we take so much pride in the work we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I hope you take working whatever you're doing, man. So like always, man, one love. Love thyself, man. Remember, can't love nobody without loving yourself. And on that note, like always, peace. Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.